Alright, small update here. We finally found out where all the metal was coming from. I'm pretty sure this is the bearing that failed. That's why my crank still seems fine, my crank bearings still seem fine, and that's why the motor was still running, but it would just have a really high, really low RPM, high, low, like it was seizing up. It was this bearing right here. It will not turn. Now, the other day it would turn, but it felt a little funny. I thought it just had metal shavings in it. But upon checking it further and really getting on it, it is 100% locked up. It was turning, but it's not anymore. So I have a feeling that all these little pieces of metal I found in my case came from this bearing. Because it should be, yeah, it's this shaft on the transmission that runs on it. And I see no damage to the shaft. And there isn't a mark on the thing. So, gotta pop that bearing out and order a new one. And I think, actually I might already have that bearing, I take it back, but we gotta make sure we replace that bearing. Got new crank bearings, got new almost everything. So, yeah, transmission bearing went out.